In this tutorial, we will see how to add a dark mode toggle to our website using CSS and JavaScript. We'll do it in under 2 minutes, so let's get started. Coming to my Visual Studio Code, which is my editor, you can use any editor of your choice. I have created a file index.html. In this file, let us get our HTML structure ready. So we have our head and our body tags ready. Inside the body, we will first create a button. The button would be used to toggle. We are going to give it a label of switch theme. So basically light and dark themes would be switched with the help of this button, and then we will have just a simple p tag because this is just for demonstration. And we have our p tag ready. And now we may need some styles. Let us add some basic styles. So we add a style tag in the header, and then we give some styling. We give a white background color initially, and we change the text color to black. And coming back to my browser wherein I am executing the index.html file, I have now the button and I now have the content that I wanted. And then let us add a transition so that when we transition from dark mode to light mode or vice versa, it transitions to the other mode smoothly. So we have our transition, and then we would need to add some styling for when it would be dark mode. So when it would be dark mode, we will be adding some class which would be called as dark mode, and when this class is active, all of our styles will change, which means our background will become dark and our text color will become white. This is the change that we are going to add. Now let us add some script. So I'm adding the script at the end of the body. Here we first have to get the button. So we gave the button an ID, toggle mode. So we get the button. To get the button, we do document.getElement by ID, and we pass the ID which is toggle mode. Then we would add an event listener to the button, and the event is click event. So we listen to the clicks on the button, and when the button is click, we are going to add a class, as I said, to the body. So document.body.classlist.toggle dark mode. So what this means is that when the button is clicked, it would check if the button has the class dark mode. It will remove the class but if it doesn't has the class dark mode, it would add the class. Basically that's what a toggle does. And that's it. A working dark mode should be ready now. I am on my screen. I click on switch theme. It made my theme dark. Click on switch theme again. It made it light. And yeah, my dark mode toggle is ready. I can then further add some classes to make it look like a switch, and I can have my website have dark mode instantaneously with just simple classes. That was all for today's video. Try it out on your site and don't forget to subscribe for more such tips in future.